everyone, my name is Desmond. I come from Sec 2. My project is making a vacuum cleaner. My vacuum cleaner is small size compared to the normal vacuum cleaner. It is handy, capable, and powerful, and it has a strong force inside its small body.
What's the most challenging part of the project?
The most challenging part of my product is there are many wires need to connect inside. The whole thing will not work if one wire is connecting wrong. So I need to try many times until it works. I feel very happy. Hello everyone, my name is Desmond. Now I'm going to show you guys my product, vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner is mini and cool, right? Now somebody might ask how this mini fan got enough force to suck the dust. Now let's see how it works. The main material that I'm using in my product is a tin, a hot milk glue gun, a fan made by the tin, and the most important one, a mini motor. When I turn on the button, the fan will spin, and the fan suck in the egg and the rubbish inside this hole, and the egg come out from here, and the rubbish still keep inside here. Inside it is very simple. It's a motor, battery, and some wire to connecting them to the button, and I use some hot milk glue gun to fix it strong. The reason why I do this product is because this is the vacuum cleaner in my house. Sometimes my table is dirty, on my table have many dust. I need to go downstairs storeroom to carry this 10 kilo vacuum cleaner, go upstairs to clean my table. This is very heavy and inconvenient. So I think why not I make a vacuum cleaner that easier for me to clean my table and clean some small place that cannot using the big vacuum cleaner like that. This vacuum cleaner is about 10 kg and this is less than 100 grams. It have very lightweight and it is convenient for me to take out to my friend's house to help them clean their table or shopping mall or what. The main goal in this product is convenient, and this special design here, the buckle, is how I make this convenient vacuum cleaner more convenient. It can put on my shirt when my hand is busy. Conclusion: the thing I learned and know in the product is we should not fix our brand in the traditional way. We should have more creativity and we should observe the thing around us with our heart and think about how to improve it better. Human is always creative and always have many questions. And the question is the key to let the thing become better, to let the thing to improve. Just like me, I had to carry the 10 kg heavy vacuum cleaner. So me asking myself a question, why not make it mini? And just like you guys see, I did it. I no need to carry the 10 kg heavy vacuum cleaner anymore, and this make my life easy.
Please help us welcome Ms. Allison, the Vice Principal of LUCA Academy, to present the awards. The second runner-up goes to Desmond.